going down.
I'm gonna miss that. Yay, we got a car. Okay, so we're heading to the airport. I think we're on time, and we're not gonna miss our flight, so that's gonna be awesome.
That's good news.
Yeah, it's really good news. And now we play the waiting game.
Actually moving a lot faster.
Yeah, it is. It is. So we made it through security, and we're a little late, so we gotta run. Hurry. How you yourself, Waldo, on your back? I'm Waldo. More waiting games. Allegiant Air. I don't think you've even heard of that airline. Huh. Now this is a healthy breakfast. I haven't actually had cereal in a little container like this since I was little. This is awesome.
Flight deck, we'll start our descent into the Houston area in just a couple of minutes. Currently 160 miles from the airport. Should have you on the ground 14 minutes past the hour. For an on-time arrival of 1:22.
So we have landed in Houston, and we have to rush across the airport, and we have what, 30 minutes? 30 minutes. See if we can make this, and then we're home. I'm so tired. I'm so excited to be home.
Look what I got the doggies. I got them these little bones that are like frosted.
You need to show them this. Okay. She's like,
Oh yeah, I said I was gonna go get fruit. I was like, I'm gonna go get fruit. And
this is what she comes
that's
back with.
technically fruit.
That's what she comes back with.
It's got caramel and chocolate on it too, but it's fruit.
I think the fruit's canceled out by the layers of chocolate.
Whatever.
You can't even eat it, can you?
Look at my kid.
Yummy. See, that's the thing about caramel apples or candied apples or whatever you want to call them. Do you say candied apple or caramel apple? What do you say? Oh, that's... you got a little something there.
There's a difference. Like caramel apple and the candied apple's got the red on it.
Oh.
It's like that red sweet stuff.
Oh. Can you guys find Waldo?
I want to just like have them toss me an ice cream cone.
If we ask them for ice cream, we can just throw it over?
Yo, give me some ice cream. Actually, you know what those designs look like? They looked exactly like the graphic design of Pita Pit.
Yeah.
Didn't it? I wonder if it's the same people.
Oh, by the way, we're back in Tampa.
Woo, there's my mom.
We just magically time traveled.
Don't film me.
Oh, speaking of time travel, I put a video on the cell phone channel, and I was talking to my phone, and I want to show you this. Check this out.
Oh God, the still.
Look at the lady.
The still
Look at this lady.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Look. Oh, I think that'll put us in Tampa around 6-ish. She was totally creeping on me, wasn't she?
Dude, that chick.
She was creeping.
That was hilarious. Also, you like this voice action here that I'm like, I can go to a certain note like
Allie sounds like Jessica.
You found your luggage and lost your voices.
The moment of truth. We're gonna see if Marlene and Zoe actually missed us. Nice shirt.
Thanks.
She stole my shirt.
So you just...
You hear him? Hey. Oh, ow, ow. Okay. Oh. That's so funny. You guys are crazy. Hi, Mar. Hi, Zoe.
Whoa, guys. All right.
You're screechier than them.
Hello.
Come here, dudes. Oh, I guess they're done. They're done. They're over it. Never mind.
Damn. Whoa.
Oh, crazy. That was pretty intense.
Goodness, what do you smell in there? Zoe was like going after the bag. I forgot that I had these. Oh my goodness.
You stressed, Phil?
It's stressing me out. Let's not do that.
Yeah.
This is the fancy backstage.
Hello.
Hi, Justine.
Because you know, it's like I don't know exactly. I am nervous. I'm not gonna lie.
You're on. When are you on?
12:40.
Okay, yeah. So you're right there. You guys are awesome.
We're on significantly after.
Are you ready? You want to have a huddle or something?
Are we waiting for you?
What's your thought? Yeah, no.
We're gonna do a huddle?
I'm gonna introduce Will.
This is personal. We can't do this. You're so nervous.
I'm nervous too.
I'm nervous.
Shaking.
I'm really nervous.
I'm shaking. Woosa,
You'll be
woosa,
fine.
woosa.
You're natural, Will.
Woosa, 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 woosa. That's from El. Hello.
Go, Will.
The Will of DC.
Woo!
If you don't know, just mumble along, right? 1, 2, 3. It's your turn. Oh, you.
She's like adorable and exciting. Like this is like totally her element. I don't know why you're scared.
Will, you did awesome.
Thank you. You guys did awesome.
Flammable.
Yeah, we're like.
Where are you taking us?
You know what this is like? I feel like a raptor's gonna be like.
Oh my God! There's Jurassic Park. Oh shit.
Yeah, you're never ever coming out again.
Oh no, we do have to Shining and hide in there while Jack Nicholson comes and kills us.
I like how this is the fancy backstage. No.
There's other
No paper, you guys.
Ew. I'm glad that's down here, not in our room.
No paper. No paper, you guys.
No. So everyone thinking this is really fancy, it's just a kitchen.
You want your t-shirt?
And I will leave you.
And do not break the string.
No.
Not that there's a string.
No.
If we're gonna do this, we need mood music. Okay?
Because it wasn't cheesy? No, that's right, John.
At the end, here we go. What's the matter there, Bill?
Don't you hate it when you can't get that last little piece? Oh yeah, there it is!
Don't do it, man. She's scared, all right?
Don't make me laugh, because this thing will come out my nose. No further interruptions, thank you.
Or you just relax. Breathe. Go to the happy place. Shut up!
Oh my God.
With no further delay, letting the sword slide down his throat.
Wow. Oh my God.
Give it up for the tall, the talented Mr. Bill Berry.
What the?
Once again, let the sword slide down his throat. Slippity slide. That's not good, man. Oh, okay, that's disgusting, even for me, man. Justine, just relax. It's okay.
Whoa, Jonathan. I would just like to point out that she did not bring the safety footwear.
All I have to say about that is this little piggy went to market.
This little piggy went home in a Ziploc bag.
Okay. Justine, okay, you keep...
Came down from my home planet, and Kyle is the guy who was like, look, a meteor, and he came and he saw me, and I was like, imagine me in a cocoon with a camera, and I was like, can I put you in my vlog? And that was my first thing, and Kyle goes, what's a vlog? And then I told him everything I know, here we go.
This is all true.
That is the truth.
No, it's untrue.
No, that's the truth.
No, it's untrue. We were kids, we didn't have friends.
Wait, rock, paper, scissors for the truth.
You can't, that's not conditional.
I added it in Wikipedia forever ago. Let's go.
See if I can go down the escalator.
You?
Want to go down? I'll get there. I'll get there eventually.
Let me get these.
I was trying to wait for you.
I'm sorry. Well, we gotta walk down this
Sid, just tell me when we're at the top so I don't kill myself.
Yeah, like now. I was like, you're gonna fall.
You're gonna die. Hi. Here's the funny thing, you guys. We were just going to lunch with 4 people, and now look what happened. So, I don't know who's going to be able to accommodate this. Shoes! Thank you for that.
They're gonna destroy it.
I give it maybe 30 seconds.
Kelly gave this, yeah.
Before Zoe
I
Marley ripped
almost
it
want
up.
to keep it for me. Dark Knight!
like, I can't deal with that. Jerry's full.
Yeah, now it's almost like
It's the Shoot the Baker guys. You don't recognize them.
no sunburn, right?
If I give you a sentence, will you say it in your accent? Say, I want you to leave a sloppy fart on my face.
I want you to leave a sloppy fart on my face.
I don't want to wait anymore. I'm done breathing.
Aww, they love their daddy. What's up, Rook? What's up, Rook? You were impossible to focus. That's good practice. Just get these guys. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. You don't know? You don't know?
I just like this, huh? Oh my God! This is check it out! Check it out! Film this! You're making me nervous. Oh, the footage gone!
I'm not waiting anymore. I'm just gonna eat this. Everyone has to leave.
I feel like we're not gonna get that.
Olga's warming up.
I am.
So it's you guys, and then you, and
Olga cheated. You see how she got those big marshmallows? Like, what is that all about? You know?
So here's the thing:
She get the regulation size.
no practicing, no practicing.
Alright, so the chubby bunny basically, I heard it involves Speedos and leather pants. I don't know what the chubby bunny is. I guess you gotta eat a bunch of them.
we were gonna do like whoever were the top three, or like.
Why don't we do it World Cup style?
Like whoever got the least marshmallows has to try and do
So
it.
we're gonna have finalists and everything, y'all. We're gonna have finalists.
Basically, I bought those because I thought people were like, "Oh, those are cheap
There needs to be a
marshmallows.
grand
They're
prize.
small, whatever." I'm like, "Fuck
There
this."
needs to be a grand prize.
Videos where we're totally prepared for everything.
See, don't tell me y'all stay store mobile. It's so much better.
So are we gonna like all do like one at a time and then like?
See, that's I'm
This
just
is
gonna
where
ask
I'm
you
gonna
guys.
puke in a second.
Wait, turn around. The moment of truth.
We're fighting over who's gonna get it already.
Who do you think we should give it to? We're gonna give it to Zoe because Marley's gonna steal it anyway.
Ready? Get it! What is that?
Marley's like, "That's not food. I was expecting food.
Sticker, get it! Get the sticker!
That's not food." Did you find Waldo? Did you find Waldo? Oh!
Okay, girls, wait, girls!
Every time. Who gets the penguin? Alright, now everyone's happy. Now she's trying to steal the penguin.
She doesn't like the penguin. Oh man! Did she bump her nose?
I think so.
Just from the smell.
You right?
I don't know if I want that toy anymore.
You're right there?
That was.
Well, it is good to be home, that's for sure, guys. Sorry, the start of the vlog is a little bit kind of short. As you can see, we were on a plane all day, and I'm kind of tired. Actually, we got back, and I actually fell asleep on the floor while everyone was rocking out the rock band. Just wanted to say thank you to all the people that came out to VidCon, and we got to meet. I wanted to ask you guys, if you came to VidCon and got a photo with Allie, myself, or both of us, send it over to me. Go to our website and you can attach a photo to it and send, in the subject say VidCon photo, because I would really like to have it. And maybe I'll put it like a collage or something, or just upload it to our Facebook group. Actually, you probably should do the Facebook group, or do both. Just do both. That way I'm definitely able to see it. This is how awesome. This is why YouTube is so awesome in the community around YouTube. I think I heard there was like 5 or 6 cameras that were lost. Just, misplaced them, kind of like what I did. And all of them were returned. Every one of them was returned. That doesn't happen anywhere else. Well, I mean, I shouldn't say that, but typically if you're going to a city and you leave your camera at McDonald's, your camera's gone. not at VidCon, not with the YouTube community. It's a beautiful thing. It's such a deep, emotional, beautiful thing. I don't know. I thought that was an amazing little OMG fact for you. Well, I guess I should go home and go to sleep. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's good to be home, and thank you for being so understanding at my shortness. If you want a long video, just go watch the last 3 or 4. I think they're like 20 minutes each. Or go watch the ones that I uploaded on the cell phone video. And then I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back. Oh, speaking of which, when does that Expendables movie come out? I want to see Arnold. Wait, don't stop the video. I completely forgot. I'm an idiot. I'm a total idiot. Allie has a new challenge on her video, and this one's called the Fireball, the Atomic Fireball Challenge. And guess who's in it? Me. Because you guys were saying I'm too much of a wimpy wimpster that I couldn't do it, so I did it. Go check that out on Allie's channel, youtube.com/Allie. You can click the little thing at the end of the video and go show her some love. Just wait for the Chubby Bunny one too. That one's gonna be amazing. It's Smosh and Las Vegas Barbie and Prank for Sprank and Olga K and Daystorm. YouTube explosion. All right, now it's officially. Good night, guys. Atomic Fireball Challenge. Click here to watch. That was totally epic, wasn't it? Epic voice. Epic voice for the win.
Honey? Uh-oh, Melissa.
Oh no, you can do it.
I think I'm good now.
Oh, you good? You're sweet?
The hot's gone now? It's coming again? There's more heat?
Wow.
He's Charles Trippy, with Marley, Zoe, and his fiancée Allie. You can watch him on his channel, avoid the indecision, cause the internet killed television.